this is Marlena, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up SPF and DKIM for Flodesk. Okay, first we need to navigate to domain setup page where we'll see our domain there. Here you see that we have DKIM, SPF and DMARC. DMARC shows green as I already have DMARC in place. So here to get the SPF and DKIM records, we need to click on Verify Now button. I'll do it manually. Okay, here we go. These are the records that we need to publish in our DNS. The first record is DKIM record. The second record is the SPF record, and this is the DMARC record that I don't need to publish it because I already have a DMARC record in place. Okay, let's start publishing the records. Let's copy the record. Let's go to our DNS. My DNS is Cloudflare. So here I'm going to create a CNAME record. The tag should be CNAME. Now let's copy the value of the DKIM, and as I'm using Cloudflare, I have here proxy status that I need to switch off. Okay, now let's do the same for the SPF record. SPF is again a CNAME record. As it's a CNAME record, it is going to be published on a subdomain level, and therefore we don't need to make any changes with our SPF record of our root domain. Okay, let's publish this. It should be CNAME. Okay. Again, we need to switch off the proxy status and save the record. Perfect, the records are already published. Now we need to verify them to make sure that they are already active. This might take a couple of minutes, but it seems it's already verified. Great. So we are good to go already, and all the emails that we sent from Flodesk will pass the DMARC check with the help of SPF and DKIM records. So that's it for Flodesk. Hope you found this helpful. And if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact the EasyDMARC support team. Thank you.